How to add signature in Outlook. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to add signature in Outlook. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to locate your signature in Outlook, what you need to do is to just click on this icon right here, which is the settings icon on your Outlook. By the way, you can find it on the app itself and also on the browser on your device. Then after that, you'll see the search Outlook settings right here. So let's click on this and let's type in signature. And you'll see the email signature right here. So just click on that and this will open this window right here on the mail settings. So you can compose your signature right here. So let's name this signature as formal signature. And you can compose something like your name right here, then your position, your company name, and then you can add in here your email address. It totally depends on what you want to add right here, but you can also format it whatever you want. So for example, I just need to highlight this and click on this bold right here, and this will be bold. You can also change the color of the text right here, or the font color. So as you can see right now, it is color red, but I can also change that into black or blue depending on what I want. I can also add certain things like this, and you can add the default signatures for new message, for replies and forwards. So you can just tweak that and change this message format right here, and just click on all of this right here, and after that click on save, and your signature must be saved. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add signature in Outlook. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!